Janu Mutiani. I'm founder of a talent solutions company called Reed and Willow, and we work very closely with startups and GCCs. I help them identify right teams and right talent at the right time. I think talent is much more aware. So a lot of value-based opportunities is what people are looking at. Gone are the times when people say, "Is this the right job for me?" People are saying, "Is this going to add value to what I'm doing? Is this going to strengthen my candidature?" So that's going to change. I think GCCs or other business lines have to show startup wise agility, because top talent is not going to get in the hiring loop of 45 to 60 days, so agility is also very important. So from a talent shift perspective, a lot of value based hiring, a lot of portfolio based hiring is what we'll see, where skill future is going to matter a lot rather than the brand and the job. I think over automation, it will. So talent recruitment is a very high human context function. Over automating processes can lead to lack of checkpoints at emotional intelligence potential hiring level, right? A lot of times we hire for potential, not for who people are today. So over automating those processes will certainly become a hindrance. Another thing, technology will further strengthen the job parsing, resume parsing situation that we have, right? That's going to be a big challenge, right? Now the candidates are also, aware, so they also used AI to build their CVs. So vetting people actually in what they do can also be a peril of overusing technology or overusing AI. So I think we are in a lot of sense, we are vocal for local. So we like a lot of our fundamental principles are very, geography based. So we understand how early talent thinks in Bangalore versus how an early talent would think in Maharashtra, right? And we bring that intelligence and knowledge when GCCs are setting up early on. I think that is very important, right? How is your potential employee thinking? What are their drivers and motivators, right? That is that's our foundation, right? What matters to somebody as they grow in value chain. And so India as a society is also very deeply influenced by friends and family, right? So some of those local nuances, I think we kind of help GCCs take decision there, right? Another thing that we kind of do early on is which skills to actually bring in India, not just based on assumption, right? Where are these center of excellences, right? So a lot of intel on that. So let's say pharma GCC is in Hyderabad, that's becoming a hub, right? So that's an obvious choice, but usme bhi what do you bring in, right? What do you bring in phase 1, what do you bring in phase 2, what sort of people, at what compensations you should target, because cost arbitrage is not the only reason for GCCs to come to India, right? So I think ours is a very consulting heavy business. So a lot of us believe that fresh talent is equals to an army of talent. I think that is changing, you know. So academia is not keeping in touch with what's happening in the industry, right? Industry is evolving in quarters. Academia is evolving maybe in years, a lot of early pass outs spend first couple of years only unlearning what they've learned in college and what the real life is, right? So gone are the days when people are thinking that I'll build an army of freshers to tackle something. That's not gonna last long, India is absolutely talent dense, country, but a lot of our people still don't understand usage of AI, for example, right? Evolving technology. We are very far when it comes to cross skilling, reskilling, right? So assuming that just because there are too many of us, we've got it all figured out is not the right way to look at things, is what I believe. Sure, this is our second summit. I think we couldn't have asked for more and better exposure. The fact that you have a lot of industry minds, leaders, thought leaders coming together, is a great platform. And as an organization, we're associated, we've decided this year to be only associated with ET, surely because of the kind of talent you were picking for these events. So I think it's a great summit. I'm going to go back with a lot of knowledge and lot of connects for life.